Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about a very important topic of our life, that is basically how to remove the insecurities, right? So insecurities are basically from any area of your life. But today we will be particularly focused on the insecurities that we develop in ourselves due to some यू कैन से कि कुछ बॉडी में अगर प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, हेल्थ वाइज आप ठीक नहीं हो, कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है कि कईयों को क्या हो जाता है, गर्ल्स को स्पेशली कभी कोई पिंपल्स हो रहे हैं या फिर कुछ मतलब छोटी छोटी सी चीज़ें होती है, कोई मोटा हो रहा है, कोई मतलब कुछ इस तरह की इनसिक्योरिटीज़ जो होती हैं उसके बारे में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, दैट हाउ वी कैन बेसिकली रिमूव द इनसिक्योरिटीज़. एंड इनसिक्योरिटीज़ आर नॉट ओनली प्रेजेंट इन द गर्ल्स बट इट इज़ ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन द केस ऑफ बॉयज़ टू. बॉयज़ को भी बहुत होता है अपने हेयर्स, है ना, जब उनको थोड़ा सा होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है, हेयर फॉल एंड ऑल थिंग्स. तो इन माई लाइफ दैट आई हैव ऑल्सो been so insecure about some things, like my own, you can say, my hair and all the things. There was a time when I have lost my full eyebrows also, and that time I was little very confused, and I have also gained some weight, and most of the people were majorly asking about, repeatedly asking about how this has happened, kaise hua, kyun hua. You really don't want to listen all the queries at that time. You definitely need someone to accept you the way you are, right? You need that assurance at that time. So what steps I have followed to remove all that insecurities from my mind about my body, I will be discussing it with you, that how I have followed certain steps to avoid that, to remove that, right? So first thing is know yourself, right? Know yourself completely, that who you are and who you are supposed to. If you have certain problems in your daily life, or you are having certain insecurities in your mind about your body, about your physique, about your health, don't worry. First of all, know yourself, that what you really want to be, right? If you want to be a fat one, then it's okay. If you don't want to be a fat one, that's also okay, right? अगर आपने वेट गेन किया, that's also okay. अगर आप मतलब खुद से सेटिस्फाइड हो कि नहीं ठीक है ये, राइट? अगर आपने हेयर लॉस किए बट आप अपने आप को नहीं भूल रहे कि मेरी क्वालिटीज़ तो मेरे साथ ही हैं, ये तो सब कुछ चलती रहती हैं चीज़ें, कभी हेयर फॉल, कभी ये बॉडीली एक्टिविटीज़, कभी कुछ कम है, कभी कुछ कम है, लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ कम तो रहता ही है हमेशा, राइट? So first of all, know yourself, that what are your priorities, and I will emphasize on this fact that you should know that you should be your first priority in this case, right? Second is accept yourself the way you are, right? So whenever you have some insecurities about something, that we are talking about as bodily insecurities that we have in our mind, first of all accept yourself the way you are. If you don't accept yourself, who else will accept yourself, right? People will always have these things in mind, that they have a perfect alignment, that they have in their mind that this is the perfect thing for a girl and this is the perfect thing for a boy, right? But what is perfect for you, that makes much more sense in nature, right? So accept yourself the way you are and love yourself the way you are, right? जैसे हो, कुछ मतलब बॉडी की डिसफंक्शनिंग हो रही है, उसकी वजह से इनसिक्योरिटीज़ आ रही हैं या लोग पूछ रहे हैं बार बार, तो उसमें यू कैन अवॉइड दैट टॉक्स विद देम, राइट? यू कैन शिफ्ट योर टॉक्स. It doesn't mean that they are the bad people and they are doing that thing, but these are only the societal natures, that more of the people are more concerned about the perfection of that thing. But what is perfection in your sense is really which makes sense in your life, right? Third, I have followed the step is focus on the insecurity that you have and that you want to remove from your life, right? Suppose I have an insecurity of having the fatty arms or anything else, right? So how I will focus on that? First of all, I will focus on that डू आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विद व्हाट आई एम हैविंग, राइट? अगर ये मेरे लिए सही है, अगर मेरे को कुछ नहीं है, मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा, अगर मेरी फैटी आर्म्स हैं या कुछ भी हैं, तो अगर मुझे कोई और बोलेगा तो मुझे तब भी कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए, राइट? एक कान से सुनो, एक कान से बाहर निकालो. That is the main case, right? And avoid that conversations with them and frequently say this word: I am satisfied with myself and I love myself the way I am. तो अगला बंदा भी आपको बोल नहीं पाएगा, which I usually started talking about in my comment section also, sometimes in the Instagram perfectly, because sometimes the people generally ask that you are gaining weight and all that things, but I am basically loving myself the way I am, and I am not having any problem. That what is the reason behind that, right? So first of all, focus on that. If you want to remove that insecurity, you are facing that thing that you do not really want that thing in your life, work on it then, right? Work it in a very positive way on that thing. But if you will be having a trouble in your mind that I want to remove that insecurity, then love yourself, right? You have to first focus on that thing, that what is basically the insecurity is about and what you want in your future and what you really want from your life, right? At the last is, think in mind that if this is the insecurity I am feeling, and what it will be having the effect on myself, right? Because ultimately whatever the insecurity you are having will have the direct effect on yourself only. You will not be feeling much more relaxed, you will not be feeling much more peaceful. When you are feeling insecure about something, right? You will not be feeling in that case. So to gain the mental peace and to gain the relaxation and that stability in your life, you should basically start feeling that what is basically it should take me towards, right? That if it is taking you towards the place where you do not want to be, then work on it, right? If it is taking to a place where you are basically not be much affected, suppose like I am having some health issues and some imperfections according to the society or the world around me, that doesn't mean that it will be affected in the same way towards me. I have the same feeling towards it, right? Like someone will say you have gained the weight, right? And but it is not much affecting my health and I'm feeling much more relaxed and peaceful in nature, relaxing and enjoying my life, then it's really up to me that I want to do work on that or not, right? So this is basically all upon yourself. So insecurities are basically आपकी खुद की दिमाग की उपज, ठीक है, जिसको आपको किस तरह से कंट्रोल करना है वो आप अपने अपने वे से कर सकते हो. एंड दिस इज पर्टिकुलरली द वे दैट आई बेसिकली शिफ्ट माई माइंड सेट अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, सो एज टू रिमूव दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग टूवर्ड यू कैन से दैट पर्टिकुलर नेगेटिव आउटलुक टूवर्ड्स मी, that thing I want to basically remove. So these are basically the steps I have followed, right? So maybe it will be beneficial for you also, because it is a very very genuine and journal steps that you follow. एंड समटाइम्स ये आप लोगों के दिमाग में भी नहीं आता कि अगर मैं ऐसा सोचूं तो ऐसा हो सकता है, ऐसा सोचूं तो ऐसा हो सकता है. बेसिकली आई ऑब्जर्व माई सेल्फ एंड वॉट आई डू इन अ डेली रूटीन एंड वॉट आई do to solve certain things in my life. So this is basically the thing in that case, right? So these are the steps that if you want to follow, you can follow and basically gain from it also. And I want this video to be shared by you in a very you can say good way, because बहुत सारे लोगों को इनसिक्योरिटीज़ रहती हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ों की इम्परफेक्शंस जो लोग बोलते हैं, कई बार उनके लिए इम्परफेक्शंस होते हैं बट हम लोग परफेक्ट होते हैं उस वे में, राइट? सो यू कैन हैव that thing, and if you will be sharing, को एक बटा नहीं दत्ता, उससे कुछ नहीं होता, क्या पता किसी की लाइफ ही चेंज हो जाए एक थॉट से, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडे. सो डू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर एज मच एज यू कैन. और हाँ, एक और चीज़ बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैंने अपने 2 पेजेस स्टार्ट किए हैं. वन इज होम एसेंशियल एंड एस्थेटिक क्लब, एंड दीज आर बेसिकली आई हैव marked that in description portion about that 2 pages. Links are provided in the description box. You can have a look over there, and if you want to buy anything related to home essential or related to the aesthetic things, you can buy it from there. And cash on delivery is also present, so and 7-day return policy is also over there, so it's a good deal for you. Have a look over there. If you like something, do DM me on that, right, in my Instagram account. So this is all about today, so do subscribe, like and share as much as you can. Thank you. Bye bye.